कितनी मोहब्बतों से पहला सबक पढ़ाया, कितनी मोहब्बतों से पहला सबक पढ़ाया। मैं कुछ न जानता था, सब कुछ मुझे सिखाया। पहुँचा दिया फलक तक उस्ताद ने यहाँ से, पहुँचा दिया फलक तक उस्ताद ने यहाँ से। वाकिफ़ न था इतने बड़े जहाँ से। A good teacher focuses on collaboration. A good teacher shows empathy. A good teacher sets high expectations. A good teacher practices self reflection. A good teacher instills confidence. A good teacher instills a growth mindset. A good teacher is always prepared for his job. A good teacher must have effective goal setting. A good teacher must have clear communication. A good teacher must have as act as role model. A good teacher must have flexibility and adaptability. A good teacher must have self-reflection. A good teacher must have lifelong learning. A good teacher must have professional learning of life. In this regard, dear guys, today I'm going to speak about a personality. Really, he's a superstar. Really noble, really genius, really God gifted, really stunning, really mind blowing, really unbelievable, really fantastic. Really, he is a secret superstar. I am feeling a lot proud and honored to speak about that great personality. He is my teacher. He is not only my teacher, but he is the teacher of our whole Pakistan. He is proud of our country. He is proud of my district. Really amazing, simple, honest, regular, punctual, noble, gentle, God gifted, really highly qualified, really God gifted. Lot of qualities, dear guys. Really, when I speak all these words, I speak all these words from my heart. Indeed, I don't have words to describe the praise of my best, my beloved, my just friendly and really lovely and excellent personality. So, dear guys, today I'm going to speak about the best personality, the best teacher. He is my great teacher. He is my noble. He is my gentle. He is Sir, respected Sir Abdul Rashid Dahri. Really amazing, beautiful, nice, excellent personality. My dear sir, I'm just going to describe in this video the respect of a teacher. A teacher is an example of the candle. Like the candle burns itself to light the lives of other people. Same, a teacher is going to burn itself and light the lives of other students. A teacher is the one who can make us able to just earn respect and get the highest rank in the future in our lives. In this regard, it's all about the teacher that we can feel proud on ourselves. Even our father brought us from the sky to the earth. But it's a teacher who moved us from earth to the sky. In this regard, all means a teacher is said to be, I think, best of all the relationships. Indeed, in the Hinduism, it is believed that if two things are standing over there, one is your teacher, other is God. Whom will you salute? So, according to Hinduism, we have to salute the teacher. We ask why. They believe that it's a teacher who can show us the path of the God. It's a teacher who tells us that how to recognize, how to just have awareness of the God. In this regard, a teacher is really noble and he's a gentle who is always guide us each and every step of our life. So, dear guys, Sir Abdul Rashid Dahri, he was born on 28th July 1953 in a very small village. He is a very simple person, really noble person, gentle person, and he has a lot of grief for the students. And he every time desires that his students grow at the highest rank. At present level, several students who are doctors, engineers, and officers who are doing the job at I think biggest levels, highest ranks. All these are I think the followers of Sir. He is the I think blessings, really blessings, and we are lucky to find such a best teacher, such a best friend. He is always friendly. Every time, he just gives us room. to just study. He makes us realize that how to study and what's the importance of education, how to get education. All these aspects of lives, these are told by Sir Abdul Rashid. In this regard, really, we are thankful to Sir to teach us in a very best manner. Even today, we remember his all the advices that he told us, and these all these things are really true, and we learned a lot. Today, whatever I'm going to speak before you, it's all about that person, sir, who helped me a lot. At the time when I joined Sir Center, at the time I didn't have money. I didn't have fees to pay over there. I requested Sir. He was feeling very happy and he said that you are interested in learning? I said, yes, sir. He said, don't worry, you should join my center. So really, it's a great blessings. Even in that day, when he supported me, he guided me and he helped me, today I'm really thankful. From my heart, every day, every night, I think, have a lot of prayers for Sir. And I just pray for my Sir that may Allah bless him, good health, and just all the blessings of the world. So, dear guys, the best teachers are those who show you where to look but don't tell you what to see. So, all these qualities are present, sir. I'm really, really, I think, thankful to sir. And teaching is the profession that teaches all the professions. So, it's a teacher, it's a teaching. Who tells us that? Who tells us that about all the professions? It's only a teacher. And the teachers always encourages our minds to think, hands to create something, and heart to love. So it's a teacher who always encourages our mind. And it's a teacher who always encourages our hands to create something. And it's a teacher who always encourages our hearts to love other human beings. Even dear guys, a good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of the learning. All these things, all these qualities are present in my respected Sir Abdul Rashid Saab. Dear guys, do you know one day Dr. Alam Iqbal, he was sitting and he was thinking something. One shoe was one in one foot there was a shoe and other was empty. While he saw his teacher was coming from the way, he looked at the teacher, he quickly stood up from there, and he went after the teacher silently. In his one foot there was a shoe and other was empty. He went after the teacher to his home. Then he returned back again. So do you know what is this? This is all about the respect of the teacher. Even dear guys, Caliph Harun Rashid. One day, when Caliph Harun Rashid, the king, he decided to go to visit his son where he was getting education, he saw that his son was moving the hand palm from his hands and his teacher was taking a bath. He said to the teacher, oh teacher, this is not complete lesson for my son. I wanna, my son, from his one hand, he can move the hand pump and from other hand, he apply the soap on your body. So, my dear teacher, you taught my son all the moral values, all the ethics. So, dear guys, who is the king? But he thought that it's an insult of a teacher that from his one hand, my son move the hand pump and other hand is empty. It's very bad. But in spite of this, my son move hand pump from one hand and from other hand, he can just apply the soap on the body of the teacher. So this is really, really great, amazing. Even it's very famous that when Ashfaq Ahmed, he was, he was presented before the judge due to any charge. Then the judge asked him that, what are you? He said, I'm a teacher. Then judge ordered each and every person, stand up please. He's a teacher. And he said everybody to stand up in the court and he himself stood up over there. Then he just said to the Ashfaq Ahmed, you go, you are free. You are free. You are, without charge, you are free to go. When Ashfaq Ahmed came out of there, He told that I knew the secret of their success because they respect the teacher. In this regard, really, it's a great pleasure for me that I just respect my teachers from heart. But I respect those teachers who really encouraged me and helped me and supported me. Sir Abdul Rashid Dar is one of them. He is really stunning. He is really superstar, and he is really God gifted. I every time pray for Sir. May Allah bless Sir. Lot of blessings. So I hope that, dear guys, you will watch me this video, and from this video, the only the lesson that I think you suggest you is that you should respect your teacher. Why? Because without the respect of your teacher, you can never get high destination, high rank in your life. So God bless you. Thank you very much.